This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, what a lovely morning.
Cut!
Huh? Ouch! My eyes! Don't poke me with these brushes!
How many times should I repeat? You don't have lines here. Just get up silently.
What? I got it. No one needs my talent here. I'm out of here.
Hey, wait! Wow! This is not good. Sue, what are we gonna do now?
Oh, I don't know. She was the only actress to pass the audition.
Oh, Elsa! It's great that you're here. Would you like to take the lead role in our video?
Oh, I was dreaming about it since my childhood. Oh, oh, hey, this really tickles. Oh, hello, everyone.
But there's nothing like this in our script!
Hold on, Sammy. It has some charm. Let her improvise.
The morning of a princess does not start with singing like everyone thinks, but with bed organizing routine, just like all the people do.
What? So she's okay to improvise and I'm not? I won't leave it like that.
No, keep it down. We're shooting here. Who allowed you to fly around, huh?
Firstly, I take a relaxing bath to refresh myself. Let it go, let it go. Na, 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 na.
So this is my chance. Let's see how you're gonna deal with this improvisation.
Huh? Oh no! Where did all my clothes go?
So yeah, and he was like, whoops, here, don't get cold.
Oh, thank you.
Cut! Something is off. Where are all the clothes indeed, huh?
Does it really matter, Sam? Let's keep shooting.
Now it's time to brush my teeth and make them white.
This is a very important secret of any princess. They do this 2 times a day.
So fresh!
I still have this strange feeling the clothes were here and then bam, it went missing. Is this? Oh no! Ghosts here!
The next step in the princess routine is hairdo and makeup, of course. Now let's make a beautiful braid. Oh, her hair feels amazing. There you go. All done. Now we'll add some eyeshadow. Shine bright like a diamond. And to the other eye too, of course. Let's not forget about some rosy blush. And a bright lipstick. Mwah! Oh, what a color. You look amazing, Elsa. Now you're ready for your breakfast.
Oh, smells good. I wonder what's on the menu today.
What can we cook for a beautiful princess?
I have a great idea. Let's use our secret royal recipe.
Sounds great, Sammy. Let's do this.
Don't forget about the milk, Sue. Our batter needs it.
Oh, thanks for the reminder. By the way, now we need some eggs.
The eggs! But I don't have any money. Oh, what should I do? I can give you this magical ghost hair for the eggs. What do you say?
What are you doing here? Oh, go back to the set, you two. Now!
I have to do everything by myself again.
Thanks, Sammy. Now we'll add the eggs to our batter. It's easy.
There should be some strawberries, remember?
Let's mix it well now. And the batter is ready.
Now comes the big moment. The oven is ready. Put it inside the soup.
Let's bake our cake. Oh, wow, it looks amazing. I totally love it. The cake is ready. It only needs to cool down.
Elsa, for the next scene, we prepared a surprise. You have to act like you're amazed.
What do we have here? Cake, huh?
Good luck shooting your non-existent breakfast.
Noise! Places! Action!
Oh, but there's nothing here. Is this your surprise?
What? Again? Sue, did you eat it?
Huh? No, why would I eat the cake?
Oh, it's even better. Princesses always eat only healthy food for breakfast.
No problem. We'll whip something up in no time. We've got a variety of fruit and berries here.
There can be only one explanation for this. Ghosts! Come here, you poltergeist!
Sam, stop, it tickles!
Okay, there are no ghosts here. Better check over there.
Sam, where are you going? Who's gonna shoot the video? Okay then. I give you a raise. Now you're the director.
Okay, I can do it. So healthy breakfast is a big part of a princess morning routine.
The tea is served, Your Highness. And our healthy fruit and berry mix.
So delicious.
What, they have to feed her with berries only? Losers! Whoops! Something is wrong. I guess that cake wasn't good at all.
Wow!
So, now we need to find the right fabric for your dress. Oh, you're defo winter type.
Oh, I like this one.
Great! So, we have an order for a royal dress here.
Let's get started. The princess dress will consist of the top and the skirt parts. First come the upper part.
I made the frills. Wow!
Oh, great. Let's make our skirt super fluffy.
Wow! Check this out, Sue. I'm so pretty.
Amazing!
Wow!
Friends, just check this out. We only need to add more decor.
Let me be the fairy godmother for princess. Whoosh! What do you say?
Oh, wow, this dress looks splendid.
Cut! Let's take 5.
Huh? They won't get away with it this time. I'm taking it with me. Oh, yeah. Huh? Hey, what's going on? Why?
What happened here?
Aha! Ghosts.
Sam, what are you… Okay, everyone on the spot. Action!
The next step is finding the right accessories.
First, let's deal with the necklace. Which one do you like most?
This one looks very beautiful.
Oh, great choice. But here, we can't choose so easily. We need a professional advice.
I call to you, oh TB-Dabba, scare away the poltergeist from the set. Whoa!
I'm sorry for interrupting.
Ghost! They came for me! Don't touch me!
Come on, Sam, it's just me. Better help us choose the crown for Elsa.
Your wish is my command. This one looks especially shiny.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, wow, it's really amazing. Thank you so much.
We need the right shoes for such an outfit.
I would like to offer you something special from our latest collection.
I'm afraid these are too big for a princess.
And maybe this one, another exclusive model.
But no food can fit in here.
Oh, I forgot. I can use my magical wand. Oh, bibbidi-bobbidi subscribidi.
Wow, this is a perfect fit. Our princess is ready to shine in all her glory.
And this was a regular princess morning routine.
What? The shooting is over. Great job, everybody. Where are you taking me? Still help! Susan!
Congratulations on your success, Elsa. Come on, let's celebrate. Oh, it came out awesome. I still can't believe that we did such a great job.
Huh? Who's there? I hope it's not the ghost or something. Oh,
I'm so sorry. I did all these mischiefs at your film set. I promise I won't do it again.
you! Hail, TB-Dabba, I thought we had a ghost here.
It's okay, don't worry. Just come join us.
The last step in the princess routine is to have fun until you fall. Literally.
Oh, are you challenging us to a pillow fight? Wow!
Yes, something like that.
Take that! Wow!
We had so much fun today, friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Watch out!
Whoa!
Subscribe to our channel, people, and see you in the next video. Bye!
Are you ready for the most magical of evenings?
Ooh, what are we doing?
It's our Light Up the Night party, when we shine hundreds of lights across Magic-y so that night seems like day. Everyone in the kingdom is coming.
And everyone gets to eat one jelly bar made from the sap of the electricity tree. As a way of giving thanks for the power the tree provides us all year.
I've heard of those jelly bars. They're a really rare treat.
Which is why everyone will get just one. Including you, you greedy grubber.
This party is going to be amazing. What can we do to help, Elizabeth?
Princess, I was hoping you could greet our guests. They should start arriving any minute. Truman, if you could help us with these bags.
Who turned off the lights? Oh,
And who took the jelly bars? Get back here, you scoundrel! Not everything is yours!
what's going on with the power?
I don't know, but we better go check on the electricity tree to make sure everything's okay for the party tonight. Ed, what's wrong with the electricity tree?
Princess, it's the most troubling of troubles. All the lighting bugs are gone, vanished, vamoosed.
Lighting bugs? Aren't they the little flies that create the power?
That's right! The lightning bugs get their power from drinking the sap from the tree, and then the tree absorbs the bug's energy to make the electricity for Magic-y.
So, without the lighting bugs, we won't have any electricity to light all the lights for the party.
Where'd the lights go? My cave is scary in the dark.
A cuddle will make you feel better.
Don't worry, Scorch. We'll find the lighting bugs and get the electricity back on.
But how are we going to keep the power running in the meantime?
Running? That's it! Maybe we can keep the power running by running! Oh, Zsa-Zsa! What happened to the power? My smoothie is a chunky! The power is out, Zsa-Zsa, and you can help us get it back on. We need something to run on, like a treadmill. A treadmill? Oh, I have just the thing for you! Well, that's not what I had in mind, but I guess it'll do. Thanks!
There, once a runner runs on it, the electricity will start running.
I'll run on it!
No, Truman, I need you to help me search for the lighting bugs. Ed, do you think you could,
Who, me? I'm most sorrowfully sorry, Princess, but I've got the trickiest trick me. All those years of playing sorcerer soccer, you know.
A cuddle will make you feel better.
Off you go, Princess. I'll take care of this.
Thanks, Ed! Scorch! Can you give us a ride?
With pleasure.
Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle.
Run, Bunny, run! Old Ed needs a cuddle.
Cuddle, 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 cuddle.
What's that glowing down there?
Maybe it's the lighting bugs. Let's take a look. The glow is coming from somewhere around here.
Look, over there!
Sir Kitty Cat, what are you doing here?
Hiding from Countess Elizabeth? She wants these jelly bars back!
But they're for everyone. You can't just take them all for yourself.
I know, but they're just so yummy!
What was that? Who's gonna have the best photos of themselves ever? We are! Aren't those the lighting bugs in there?
Mine. Okay, princesses, show me devious.
They've lost all their power.
Huh? That's it, no more flash bugs.
Oh my goodness! Look at the lighting bugs! How could they use these poor little bugs for such a selfish reason? These photos aren't just for us. We're going to light up the night tonight by projecting our pictures all over Magic-y. Who needs lights when our faces will be flashing everywhere instead? We're done here. Bet you can't wait to see our faces everywhere you look tonight.
Can I keep my eyes closed forever?
Oh, look at these poor little guys. They're all worn out. They can't glow. They can't fly.
They need something to eat to get their energy back.
Too bad we don't have any sap from the electricity tree.
Oh, the jelly bars!
Huh? The jelly bars?
Thank you, Sir Kitty Cat. I know it wasn't easy to give up all those jelly bars.
Actually, Princess, I was really happy to.
Oh, they're starting to get their glow back. It's going to be a while before these little guys have enough strength to fly. How are we going to get them back to the electricity tree?
Bubbles, that's it! The lighting bugs can float back to the tree in bubbles.
Billy, that's a fantastic idea.
Thanks. Okay, guys, let's start blowing some bubbles.
All right, Rabbit. You've done a powerfully powerful job of powering Magic-y, but your work here is decidedly done. Princess Billy is returning. Let's hurry back to the castle. Here, I'll carry you.
Are you ready to light up the night with pictures of our gorgeous selves? I sure am. Everyone is so lucky we're sharing our photos with them. Oh? Here, let me try. Why isn't the projector going on?
Princesses, it's not going on because there's no power. We used up all the lighting bugs.
No! Huh?
Countess, the princess has found the lighting bugs.
I see that, Ed. Look!
Oh, in all my years of seeing lights at night, this is the most beautiful sight of lights I've ever sighted.
You can say that again.
I would, Fiona, but I never say anything twice.
Huh?
Once we get these lighting bugs back to the electricity, they'll have all the sap they need to get back to normal.
And then we'll have all the power we need to get back to normal, too.
Too bad about the twins' projector, though. Now we'll never be able to see their photos.
You know what, Your Highness? We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. I'm sorry, but you can't have everything. This plant is my present, and I'm going to be the one to give it to Dad. It's just that it's so much better than our present.
It's like a mini tree.
Hey, do you two have any photos of yourselves around?
Do we?
Pick one you like, and I'll tie it to the plant. Then we'll call it a family tree, and we can all give it to Dad. Awesome!
Best present ever.